Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to be opening up my base box for August and I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this to come in the mail. I'm always counting down when I get my Boxycharms. This is a beauty subscription that's $25 a month and you get 5 full-size items. This is the base box. They also have premium and luxe as well, but I don't have those boxes today. Before we do get started, I did want to let everyone know at 60 subscribers we will be doing a giveaway that includes a Norvina palette. So if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to videos like this and also for a chance to enter in that giveaway for that Norvina palette and a few other things that I have set aside. Okay, go ahead and we're going to go ahead and get started here because I'm just so excited. I want to see what's inside of this box already. Okay, so this is first impressions when opening up the box here. This is what it looks like. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out was my choice item is Perlice Ageless Glow Serum Cream, SPF 40. This is more for those like all natural days when you don't feel like wearing much makeup. This is very light coverage, but it still has some. And this is what it looks like here. And I already know the skin tone matches me because I've tried the smaller version of this before, so that's good. I got fair for me. This is valued at $38. Oh, I forgot to go over the theme. The theme this month is Go All Out. And the next thing I got was Frank Body Charcoal Face Cleanser. And this is valued at $21.95. And then I got Evercolor Gel Waterproof Liner in shade Onyx. Okay, this is by the brand Mally. Oh, and it's just a really nice gel black liner. This is what it looks like on the skin. It's not like super black, but it does have the twist top to it, which I do like that. This is valued at $19 for this eyeliner. And next up I have a Flip Shadow by Ciate London. And this is valued at $20. Okay, this is in the shade, it's a metallic shade. I'm not seeing a shadow name on here unless I'm just missing it. Oh. It's called Wonder. So it's a multi-chrome eyeshadow. It looks like it has it's purple with like a green gold shimmer. It's really pretty color. I like it. Not sure how it will look on me or not. I never tried this formula before, so I'm not sure if it's a good formula or not. I know the Haas Laboratories is a good formula, but I don't know about this one. And the last thing in my box is actually something I was looking forward to get. It's Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. And I just love her brand. I have one of her face washes that I'm currently using at the moment. Here's this. This is Exfoliate. This is actually something I was looking forward to getting, so it's really nice. Use as directed, avoid contact with eyes, blah, 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 blah. How to use AM and PM. Apply an even layer to clean skin. Okay. It just smells clean, which I like for skincare. This is valued at $70 for this. Wow, I would never pay that for a moisturizer, but there is a lot in here, and I'm sure a little bit goes a long way. I'm not super thrilled about my box this month. I didn't get a palette or anything, but it's okay. I did get a single eyeshadow, I got an eyeliner, and I did get this exfoliate that I really wanted, and also my choice item, I did really like that as well. And I guess it kind of goes together. I have a face wash and I have a moisturizer to go with it, so that's okay for me. That's everything that I had in my box. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.